Hi, my beautiful friends. How are you? I hope you're taking care of yourself, staying home. If you're staying home, then you don't have to wear a mask. Okay, and if you're stepping out, wear double mask. Okay. So today's drape is how to drape a linen sari with 7 pleats. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to drape a linen sari with 7 narrow pleats, okay, and still not show this side. Normally what happens is you pull the entire fabric here. What you need to do is, when you've done that, just pull the first pleat a little on the sides and see it just covers. Got it? So just watch the whole video. You will know every step by step how to make a linen sari look so beautiful.
So let's begin. I have just worn my D-coat, just done my basic tuck, and now I take a handful of fabric and I tuck it on my waist. Now take the fabric from behind and we will start making our shoulder pleats. And what do we say? Zip, zip, zap, zoom. Just try this. It really works. Adjust all your pleats and now placing it on your shoulders. Look, I've attached a pin so that the pleats don't go haywire. Now just align all your pleats properly. Run your hand through so that it just feels as if you've ironed your sari. Now covering your bust, bring the whole fabric on the other side, pull it tightly, and on your waist tuck it exactly like the way I'm doing it. Now you start making your lower pleats. Not too broad, not too narrow. But don't say zip, zip, zap, zoom here. You don't need it. By now you're a pro. Okay, so we start making, and here we finish this up. Pull this fabric out, dust the sari, run your hand through and see to it that you align all your pleats properly. Not only from the top, from this side, but also from the other side. Here. Now hold all of them together and tuck them right below your navel. After you've done that, you can see there's some extra fabric which is on the side. You need to take this and pull it from the other side. Pull it as tight as you can because this is linen. It's not going to tear. You have to be very careful when you're pulling. And this pull gives you a nice shape. Tuck this in and use a safety pin to secure it. Tuck the other fabric. And now bring your pallu down. Adjust all the pleats again. Throw it on your shoulders. And see, you're done. It is so easy. Just a little practice and look how beautiful this looks.
So yes, I hope you like this drape and I hope you're learning a lot from my tutorials. मैं हर वीडियो में कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा डालती हूँ ताकि आपको मैं धीरे धीरे सिखा सकूँ, बट अच्छी तरह से पूरा सिखा सकूँ. सो प्लीज़ आप एक कमेंट ज़रूर ड्रॉप करें ताकि मेरे को पता रहे कि आपको और क्या देखना है और क्या डिफ़िकल्टीज़ है, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जो मैं मिस कर रही हूँ प्लीज़ मुझे याद दिला दीजिए ताकि मैं आपके लिए एक ट्यूटोरियल बना के डेफिनेटली क्विकली पोस्ट कर सकूँ। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी। आई लव यू ऑल। जय हिंद।